How do I scan a document with my Android phone? So let me show you some ways we have available. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. So more ways to make that work. First of all, a lot of people on the Android platform use a third-party app to just scan a document. For example, there's an app called like Cam Scanner. This one is very popular. You can see a 500 million downloads, so that's one option. But obviously there are many other document scanners which you can get. For example, one from Adobe or some random apps which you probably never heard of, but those can most definitely scan documents without an issue. So using such app, you basically go through the setup process when you download it for the first time. But then once you get inside, you want to go through the UI and tap on a scan a document. You position it into your camera frame. You of course need to allow the camera access for the application. And then you can see that you can add some effects to it or whatever. And this is how you will be able to make it work. So that's one option, but in plenty of cases and on many phones nowadays, you can also find it inside of the file managers. Like I do not have that personally, but inside of the Files app, some devices might have it that when you tap on the three dots, you will be able to scan the document right here inside of the file browser. Or if you're using a different file manager, like a different app from the Play Store, which you use to manage your files, it is possible that you will have the ability to scan documents even through that application. And so it really depends on your setup, but a third-party scanner app like the Cam Scanner is a sure choice because it's going to turn your physical paper documents into PDFs, which you can send over email or edit or do whatever you need. So I hope I was able to guide you through it and explain sort of how it usually works. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.